Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss about the multi-surface operation. But first we need to object. So I have an object. You will see the dimension is 50 and 30. So first of all create rectangle 50 by 30. The dimension is 5 and this dimension also 5. So our this circle dimension is 20 radius. Now this circle is 3 and the radius is 2. So first of all we create drawing in MasterCAM. So wireframe, rectangular shape by this origin and the dimension is 50 by 30 and OK. Now create a circle by this point. So the circle dimension is 20 radius. OK. Now trim. So divide and delete method. Delete this circle. OK. Now create a circle by this point. This circle dimension is 3 radius and OK. Now select this circle in transform and rotate. Reselect your rotation center point. Now the angle is 45 and the object is more. Now click on remove and select your remove circles. Enter and OK. Now again wireframe, trim. Now trim this entity. OK. Now fillet, the radius value is 2 and select this line, this line, this line. OK. Now the trim, delete this line and OK. So you will see our object is ready. But you will see our object is in top view. So I will set the isometric view by Alt 7. So first we need to change our object in front view. So in transform, translate to plane, select all object, OK. The destination is front and OK. Now in solid, extrude, select your chain, OK. Give your distance 50 in other direction and OK. So now create a rectangle by this corner to this corner. We need to this rectangle for our tool. So in transform, translate, select our rectangle. The value of z-axis is 45 and OK. So now we will apply the multi-surface operation. First we need to select machine. So click on machine, mill, default. Now in multi-axis select a multi-surface operation. So the tool path type is multi-surface. For tool selection click on filter, select your tool, OK. Select library tool. Now I will select the 3-dia tool and OK. Holder selection. Now in cut pattern select your surface. Click on this arrow and select your surface. Now click on end selection. This is your offset, cut direction, step direction, start point and plot edges. OK. Now your cut tolerance. The step over value, this one I will set 0.5 and along step over value is also 0.5. Now in tool axis control, the tool axis control I will select the boundary and now click on this arrow, select our rectangle. OK. So now you will see. Now click on OK. So you will see our operation is applied. Now we will check in backplot option. So click on backplot and play. So you will see our operation is performed. Now we will check in verify selected operation. So close this view, but first we need to select stock value. So click on this stock setup, rectangular, all solid and OK. Now the stock is hide and verify selected operation. So I will hide my wireframe view and axis also. Now play. So after operation, our object is look like this one. If you want more clear surface, so close this view. In parameter, in cut pattern, and this value is changed 0.2 and along step over also 0.2. OK, and regenerate your operation. So you will see. Now in verify selected operation and play. So after operation, our object is look like this one. You will see. I will close this view. After applying operation, our final object is look like this one. You will see. I will close this view. So this is a multi-surface operation. In next lecture, we will discuss parallel operation. Thank you friends.